Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows search black box bug. So this is a bug which has been going on this week for many of the Windows 10 users. I will show you how to fix this bug. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon. So let's get into the video. First, if you press on search, a black screen is appearing. How to fix this? What you need to do is go to the Windows tab and right click and press run and type in regedit regedit to enter the registry window. So you will go to this place, and this place where you need to go is H key current user. That is the second option in this window. So double click on H key current user. So after double clicking you will get a drop down, subdivision, and there you need to double click on softwares. So go there and double click. So after double clicking we need to scroll down a little bit so that you can see some so I will expand it and then I will show you. So you need to scroll down and go to Microsoft and double click on that. So after double clicking on Microsoft you need to scroll down again and go to search for Windows option and double click on Windows. So I'm going to Windows and I'm going to double click on that. So after your double click on Windows, find the option called current version. There is a second option in my window, so it will be mostly second for you. So double click on current version. So once you have double clicked on current version, you will go to, again you need to scroll down a little bit and you need to find an option called search. So go to that option search and double click on that. So I am going to double click on search now. After double clicking you will get this following. Right side you can see a set of variables. So what you need to do is right click on this right side pane and create a new variable. So these are the variables of the Cortana and Windows. So what you need to do is add a new variable for Cortana so that it will fix this search issue. So right click and press new and go to deep word 32-bit value. So click on that. That is the thing we need to create. So click on that and it will create a variable. The name of the variable you need to give is BingSearchEnabled. So kindly note this, or I will put a link for, I will put this on my description. You can copy paste. So BingSearchEnabled, that is a variable name you need to give, and what you need to do is double click and check it whether its value is 0. So basically it will be 0. To ensure that you can double click and check the value data must be 0. So make sure you are having 0 and then press OK. So after this step, the next step what you need to do is go to CortanaConsent. So what you will need to click on, double click on CortanaConsent and check whether the value is 0 here also. So if it's not 0, if you need to change it to 0. So make sure it is 0, and then next step is close this window and you need to restart your PC. Just restart and check whether you have fixed this problem. I will show you. I am going to restart my PC. So I will press OK. I will skip the restart portion for your convenience and then I will show you the output of this video. So I'm going to restart now. So after restarting I am back here. So now you can see the search window is available now. So that's it guys, you can fix this issue with this method. So I hope you guys like this video. Kindly consider subscribing and press the bell icon. If you are not able to fix this issue, kindly let me know in the comments.